Crypto.XL, where we uncover the hidden gems of the crypto market. Are you ready to discover the next big thing in investing? Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with us as we hunt for small-cap coins with the potential to explode. Join us as we dive deep into the world of small-cap cryptocurrencies, exploring their untapped potential and uncovering opportunities for growth that could turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for the next big winner or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, Crypto.XL is your ultimate destination for insightful analysis, expert tips, and the latest trends in the small-cap crypto market. Remember, this is not financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this thrilling adventure to uncover small-cap gems that could skyrocket your portfolio to new heights. Let's make 50-100x gains together.
And we're live. Good day, guys. This is Crypto.XL, back today with more crypto updates and news. And as predicted, the Ethereum ETF has passed.
Do it live. Do Crypto.XL. Hey, long time, right? Whole week. So, this is Crypto.XL, where you come for some live, up-to-date crypto action, feedback on Bitcoin, the crypto markets, and our countdown to altcoin season, right? So as we count down to 2025, we're also going to be counting down to altcoin season, right? Which is a glorious season that everyone is waiting for. We've been waiting for quite a long time. I will say years upon years of hopium that have been injected into the market. And we are at the precipice of where we're supposed to be, where we ascend. So we're not going to be taken up by aliens, but our bag should be taken up with, a huge green bar is heading to altcoin season. So that's what we're looking forward to in 2021. Freudian slip. That's what we're looking forward to in 2025 as we wrap this New Year's up. So it's December 29th. I guess I'm ahead of my time, but we are almost there, right? It's the 29th. We the 30th, 31st is New Year's Eve, and then we'll be stepping into in the name of love for our bags, right? But what do I feel? What's altcoin season going to be like? Are we going to have an altcoin season? How high are we going to go? The only thing I could say is, it's going to be big. Think about something big and then double that. It's going to be way big, right? So if we look at, I would say how March was earlier this year, March of 2024, it was really, really nice. Recently, I would say March 2024, we had a really, really good pump. We had a few 10Xs in the market, and then we had a horrible, brutal retracement for about 8 months sideways, and on the way down, the altcoins got wrecked tremendously. And then recently, we've had a little surge up again when Bitcoin broke 100,000, and that brought some of the bags up. But on this surge, the last surge we had, the old school dinosaur coins got most of the pump, like ADA, AVAX, Matic, Doge, Polkadot, Decentraland, the dinosaur coins. A lot of those coins, the legacy coins that were pumping in 2021 that everyone forgot about and thought that, it was on their last days, the ones that were underperforming the market up until this point, those were the ones that pumped during this last small surge. And it brought the total 3 back up to its highs, right? So what I'm expecting to happen soon, right, because we're talking about January 2025, is return to the glory days, right? Where the period that we had in March. So I'm expecting that times two, okay? And we're looking for this to be Q1 of 2025. So I did mention January, but January, I believe, is where it starts. And also, these things, I believe, happen in waves. So it's not just it starts happening and we just go straight up nonstop and it does every day is 20%, 30%, 40%. No, I think during the pump, there will be some pullbacks, but I do believe that the pullbacks, the next pullbacks will be short-term pullbacks. So from my point of view, I've been accumulating and I've been stacking up. And the more we go sideways and the more the micro cap alts get wrecked, or the more they get damaged, is the more I buy. When we have these wicks to the downside on key projects that I'm into, such as what VIA, DexCheck, Engine Starter, that's the DChat. Like many of these micro cap altcoins, the more we wick down to the downside, is the more I accumulate, right? So what I'm looking to do is to just continue to build my bag. And as we head into 2025, and more importantly, as the bull market, an altcoin season kick off, and the coins that I accumulate, the more they get their growth, is the more I will be DCAing out, right? So I'll be looking for key indicators such as the RSI on Bitcoin heading above 90, so somewhere around there. I'll be looking for key things like that. By the way, I didn't say this in this video, but happy holidays. And if I don't catch you on the upside, happy new year, right? I'll say it before it happens. And when it happens, have a happy new year. And make the next year be better than the last, all right? It doesn't have to be a whole lot better, as long as it's a little bit better, right? And we make every year a little bit better. And before you know it, things are great. So, make the best of everything. Make sure with this crypto thing that you put it in its compartment. This is not supposed to be your whole life, like only crypto. You gotta excuse me for a second here. So it's a little bit chilly out here. It's not freezing, but it's a little bit chilly, right? Because we're in December, right? We're finishing up the year. But maybe the aliens could fix that, right? Anyway, so make sure that you have your bags packed. Also, make sure you manage your finances correctly, because this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. This is a documentary of my crypto voyage, my crypto journey, and so you can see what I'm doing and you can learn from it. But shout out to the Patreons, because they're seeing my buy alerts. They're seeing when I buy, what I buy, why I buy it, for what price, and my thought pattern behind it, and my patience and diligence. I am calm, I'm patient, I'm taking my time, slowly accumulating my bags. And I do believe that this is going to pay off in 2025. It has paid off somewhat already. But that all being said, for this next round of Bitcoin dominance falling, I am looking to do quite well, right? That's what I'm looking to do. So I'm accumulating, and I'm just going to be patient, and I'm going to wait. Another thing I'm going to say too is, like, some of the coins that are going to give the outsized returns might not necessarily show that currently, right? A good for instance I'm going to bring up is, if you look at ADA, ADA's been dog crap for about 3 years, being beaten up. While the rest of the market was moving, ADA was not moving. ADA stayed at 33 cents, 24, then 33, then 37, back to 33, and then 32. ADA was not moving for 3 years, guys. While there are other coins that are doing quite well. So if you would have bought ADA and you were expecting growth in ADA, you were watching some other coins do well, and your bag, you were not making any money. Everybody else, well, not everybody else, some people were, right? If you were accumulating ADA. But watch what happened. Over the last 2 months, you saw ADA did a 4x. That's 400% on your money. So theoretically, you could have said, well, so I was accumulating for 3 years, And in the third year, it paid off because I made 400% on whatever I invested. And in a nutshell, that's crypto. So basically what I'm saying is you might be upset with your bag because your bag is not moving. You're seeing other coins pump. You see a coin over there is doing 400%, but your dead dog coin is not moving at all. It's the moment when you sell your dead dog coin and you go into the coin that's pumping, that the coin that's pumping stops pumping as much. It only goes up another 10, 20%. Right? So you feel vindicated because your coin did, the one that you left your old coin for the new coin, that new coin pumped 20%. But then you look back at your old coin and that's when your old coin pumps 400%. Right? So the point that I'm trying to make to you is whatever you decide to accumulate, make sure you know why you're going to accumulate it and make sure it's a coin that you believe in and it's a project you believe in, because it might pump at a time that you don't expect it to pump, and it might pump bigly. It might pump bigly at that time. Okay? So you would have to be patient with your bags. And first of all, you'd have to have conviction in the project, number one. Make sure you have conviction in it. Make sure there's a market for it where people can buy and sell your coin, right? Make sure there's a market where people can buy and sell your coin. And make sure that you believe in a project, right? So if you believe in a project and there's a market where people can buy, they can easily buy and sell it, then you can accumulate on the dips, right? Accumulate on the dips, but don't put in money that you can't afford to lose. If you're putting money that you need right now and your plan is like, I'm going to double my money, and then when I double my money, I'm going to take it to pay a really big bill that I need to pay right now this year. If you invest in under those circumstances, the pressure is too high. The feeling and the mood is wrong for investment. You're going to be too emotionally involved, because should your project not move when you expect it to move, you might end up selling at the wrong time. You might sell when you're down, or you might sell too early. Hold on. All right, so I'm back. So to make a long story short, Bitcoin dominance is going to fall. It's been breaking down, and we're playing the usual resistance support routine, but we're going to start heading into a decline in January where the dominance falls. At this point, Bitcoin could, maybe it'll pump a little, maybe it doesn't. If it pumps a little bit while dominance falls, the altcoins are going to pump heavily. The the total three, excluding top 10, the cryptos that we're interested in, the small caps, I anticipate them pumping a lot during this period. So we're speaking about January through March, right? I'm expecting a mega pump. So I'm going to be paying attention to this. What happens after that depends on where Bitcoin is and where Bitcoin is with the RSI, etc. If we're going to have a sell in May and go away scenario as before, possible, maybe. I will be paying attention to the charts, and during this period, I probably will be taking some profit just to make sure I secure my bag. I'm anticipating us topping out in 2025 in Q4. It does not mean I'm going to wait until Q4 to take profit, because, well, crypto is a wild and crazy ride. As you have seen already, you've seen how much things can pump, and you've also seen how much things can dump, especially when we're dealing with the small cap altcoins, right? We've seen 10x pumps and we've seen 90% dumps, right? So we should definitely pay attention to this routine and how things are going. 2025 will be an eye-opening and awakening year in many aspects. This channel is focused on crypto, but I do believe that a lot of amazing things are going to be happening in 2025. Remember to keep your mental, spiritual, emotional, and financial health in check, and make sure everything is balanced and remain stoic, because we're going to be in for one interesting ride. Okay, so this is Crypto.XL. Do check out the Patreon so you can see what I'm buying, when I'm buying, how much I'm buying for, and what my plan is going forward. Because I have been accumulating the alts at the lows. I've had multiple success with many different coins and done well in the bear market until now. And I intend to keep the track record consistent in going forward. There are a lot of coins that are undervalued and that the market is overlooking and they feel will never come back. These are some of the projects I have been accumulating. Recently, I was accumulating VIA at the lows at 3.5 cents, and that pumped to an astronomical, well, from that point to a very high level. That did about a 6x in a very short amount of time, five or 6x in a short period of time. I don't believe that's the end of it. I believe we have massive pullbacks and then we go again. Other coins to take a look at that I'm interested in is AI tech. I believe it's going to do really well. It's on Binance futures right now. So it's just a matter of time before it goes the way of Change GPT and other coins within the sector that have pumped and that have achieved multiple hundreds of millions of dollars of market cap. Other coins I'm looking at, as always, I'm looking at DexCheck. I believe its time will come, but its time is going to come when we have a full-on bull run with altcoin season. And at that time, the valuation of a coin and a project like that is going to be astronomical. But dudes, stay tuned to the channel, as you continue with me on this journey, and I will keep you up to date with what's going on in the market, where we are with Bitcoin and crypto. Bitcoin did break the $100,000 base and it's come down. I believe it wicked as low as 93,000 something. I just look at that as par for the course. That's just the nature of crypto. And it's meant to shake people out. It's to liquidate the longs and also to liquidate the shorts on the way up once we start heading way above 100K. Okay, so the next stop, next target to look around for Bitcoin, somewhere around 125K, heading to the upside. But again, from what happens from now through Q4 of 2025 is anybody's guess. And we can go way higher, as well as we could not go as high as we would like. But I do know that I want to be part of this market and I don't want to be left out. I don't want to end up chasing the taxi or chasing the rocket ship after it blasts off. I want to be already on board and ready to go to the moon. Okay, because once it takes off quickly. And these alts, these microcap alts that I've been accumulating, once they take off quickly. So this has been Crypto.XL, and I will see you at the top. XL. Peace.
Welcome to Crypto.XL, where we uncover the hidden gems of the crypto market. Are you ready to discover the next big thing in investing? Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with us as we hunt for small-cap coins with the potential to explode. Join us as we dive deep into the world of small-cap cryptocurrencies, exploring their untapped potential and uncovering opportunities for growth that could turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for the next big winner or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, Crypto.XL is your ultimate destination for insightful analysis, expert tips, and the latest trends in the small-cap crypto market. Remember, this is not financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this thrilling adventure to uncover small-cap gems that could skyrocket your portfolio to new heights. Let's make 50-100x gains together.
Good day, guys. This is Crypto.XL, back today with more crypto updates and news. And as predicted, the Ethereum ETF has passed